Hey guys, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a flower vase, especially for your dollhouse. So we will be needing a glue gun and leaf. So I'm gonna put it right here and continue doing it at the other side at the top. And for the top, I'm gonna design it right here. Okay, and you're done. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. We will see you in our next video. Bye.